So I wanted to take a second and say that as of this recording, I have 300 subscribers. So thank you very much to those of you that are watching my videos on a week-to-week basis. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I put out a video each and every single week. My goal here is to inspire you to get up off the couch into the kitchen and cook. Don't be lazy. So with that being said, let's get started. So for today's episode, we're going to do a meatball casserole. First thing we need to do, turn on the oven. Preheat it, 425. Woo, that was the hard part. Let's get to the meat and potatoes of this recipe. Just kidding about the potatoes. No potatoes in this recipe, but we do have the meat. Get yourself some meatballs. This I should have prepared ahead of time. Open up the package. There we go. Baking dish, very important. Meatballs. Pasta, I'm gonna use Rotini Pasta. Ragu sauce, spaghetti sauce. Now you can use marinara sauce. That's fine, any kind of sauce. The difference between marinara sauce and spaghetti sauce is marinara is a stripped down version of spaghetti sauce. Spaghetti sauce has extra ingredients, extra flavor. And now that you know, consider yourself educated. We're going to throw in some water. Looks like we're going to use about 3 cups of water. Grab you some handy dandy aluminum foil. Cover it tightly. And let's stick this in the oven. Careful. I just got wet. We got to remember, it's full of liquid. How long are we going to cook this for? For starters, 35 minutes. So just because 35 minutes have passed, hoo-yah! I did a karate kick for you guys that didn't see that. Alright. Careful with the steam. We are not ready yet, but this bad boy is looking good. The water's evaporated. We're going to stir this up a little bit. Meatballs are looking good. By the way, if I didn't mention it earlier, make sure your meatballs are thawed out. We don't want to use frozen meatballs when putting them into your casserole dish. So once this is mixed up a little bit, time for cheese. Cheddar cheese. Shredded cheddar cheese. Sprinkle it on. Be generous. The cheesier the better. You know what? I'm going to use a whole bag. That's how generous I'm feeling. Mozzarella cheese. Shredded mozzarella cheese. Be generous. Cheesier the better. Alright, one more time in the oven. For how long? Accidents happen. That was my salt and pepper shaker. 10 to 15 minutes, we just want that cheese to melt. After that, you guys know what time it is. Time to plate up. Meatball casserole. I just got to thinking, looking at that casserole dish. Man, that's enough food to feed 45 people, and it probably cost me about 11 bucks. So I'm going to portion most of that off to the side. I'm going to have some leftovers for the next few days. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button. I put out a video each and every single week. So until then, cook! Don't be lazy.